Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you another type of question in price elasticity of demand. Now I have explained you earlier also that whenever you read a question directly you start writing what has been given in the question. When the price of good X is rupees 5, that means P is given rupees 5. The consumer buys 100 units, Q is given 100 units. At what price would he be willing to purchase 140 units? Now here P1 is not given. They are asking at what price he will buy 140 units. That means Q1 is given but P1 is not given. And what else is given? The price elasticity of demand for good X is 2. So here price elasticity of demand is given 2. So we can get these things. Now here we can see what is the change in quantity. Change in quantity is equals to 140 minus 100, that means 40 units. And change in P is equals to P1 minus P. We don't know because here we don't know what is P1. P1 has been asked in the question. So now we know that we'll write the question or we'll write the formula. Price elasticity of demand is equals to delta Q over delta P into P over Q, right? We'll write the minus sign here, and now by putting the values 2 here, delta Q we have calculated 40 over delta P, P was 5 and Q was 100. Now after calculating it, we can see in the rough side, because यहाँ पे cutting करना will not look good, so delta P into 5 upon 100, we can calculate it. 5 2s are 10, 20. 20 2s are 40, it will become 2 upon delta P. So here 2 is equals to 2 upon delta P, right? So when we, and this is minus, and when we cross multiply it, what will happen? Delta P is equals to 2 by 2, it is minus, it will become delta P is equals to minus 1. That means delta P means the price decreases by rupee 1. Minus का मतलब क्या है? कम होना, negative. So that means, because we can see that here quantity is increasing, that means price will definitely be decreasing. So here minus means price is decreasing. Now to calculate P1, now what we have to do is we have to write the formula of delta P. Delta P is equals to P1 minus P. Delta P is minus 1, P1 we don't know, P is 5. So this minus 5 will come this side. So minus 1 plus 5 is equal to P1, because this is minus 5. When we take this minus 5 this side, it will become plus 5. Now minus plus will be minus and the sign will be of the greater digit. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 is equal to P1. Hence new price is 4. New price, that means P1 is equals to rupees 4. That means when prices falls to rupees 4, the quantity increases to 140 units. I hope this is clear to you. Better to use minus sign here. Otherwise, if we will not add minus sign here in the formula, then your answer may become wrong, because if you will write this plus 1, तो प्लस 1 का मतलब हो जाएगा प्लस 1 प्लस 6 प्लस 5, ये 6 बन जाएगा, तो ये गलत हो जाएगा. सो हियर यू हैव टू राइट माइनस साइन which has been given in the formula. So this is it. I hope this is clear to you. Solve questions like this I'll be giving you in Google Classroom. If you face any problem, you can ask me anytime. Thank you. God bless you all.